Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Aisha Bajwa and I'm doing MS in English Linguistics and Literature from the International Islamic University, Islamabad. Today's video is about my experience in this university. Someone asked me to share my experience, the total procedure of for applying, and the merit list, and how is it going now. So I will start from my masters. I did masters instead of BS from the Islamia University of Bahawalpur, and my CGPA was 3.59. And after that, I moved to Islamabad for my MS. And I applied in different universities. I applied in ComSets, UOL, then in BZU, and other than that, in Air University. But unfortunately, I was not selected in Air University. Then I was selected in the ComSets. They called me for interview, and I was also on the same date I was selected in the IIUI. So IIUI was my dream university. So I then asked from many of my teachers and my seniors, which university should I choose? Okay, should I choose IIUI or ComSets? And they referred me IIUI because they said that the Department of English, like Arts Department, English, and the Islamic, all the subjects related to Islam, like they are the best taught in IIUI instead of ComSet, because ComSet University is technology based university. So then I go for IIUI. Now I'll talk about the procedure. I applied online, and then I wait for the merit list, which was very difficult time to wait for that. After displaying of merit list, there were, I think, 3 merit lists which were displayed. I was selected in the second one, and after merit list, I think after a week or two, they again display another merit list. Like that merit list was basically for the interview. Then the interview was conducted. It was about 2 to 3 minute interview, which was very basic and general. First of all, they asked me to introduce myself, and after my introduction, they asked me my field of interest, and then they asked that have you ever done research before or thesis. But I haven't, because the Islamic University, they don't conduct the research in the masters, they only conduct in the BS thesis. Okay, and later they asked me that if we give you the chance to study here, then will you stay in the internal hostel or the external? Then I answered that, and then they asked me that what is your field of interest. I said that it's morphology, and they asked me some questions related to morphology, like it was what's the word formation, and then they, can you only tell us the headings? Then I told them. Then I was very nervous for the interview because this was my first interview ever, like this type of interview, formal interview. And then after that, I wait for another week, and they displayed another list. There were total 2 lists, I think. After the selection of this, I paid the dues, and someone asked me that how much dues. And the dues were between 70 to 80, and of masters, of MS in English. I only know about the MS in English. After that, I packed my luggage and I moved to Islamabad. Then I stayed in external hostel, because it's a policy of IIUI that the new students cannot stay in the internal hostel. Only the foreigners can stay there, because there are many foreigners also. So they give the opportunity to foreigners first, and the nationals can only apply for the hostels in the third semester. So I was unable to apply there, so I stayed in the external hostel for 2 months, and after 2 months the COVID start. No COVID. And after 2 months, then I again moved back to my city because of the COVID holidays. And now the classes are conducted online, and my field of interest is linguistics, and I don't know now how it will go, because it's difficult. and nowadays I'm doing work on my project. Overall, the university, my experience with university is very cool. The teachers are very generous, capable, and very super intelligent teachers. And the quality of education is great. If you want to take admission in IIUI, you are most welcome, and you will totally become the changed person after getting your degree. And yeah, I learned a lot from IIUI till now. Like there were 2 months on campus classes, and now they are online, and the papers were also conducted online, the mids. And I hope that the final papers will be conducted soon in the end of Jan, I think, January. And well, linguistics, according to me, if we compare literature and linguistics, I think so literature is bit easy, because there are many different theories in the linguistics that we have to study. But yeah, there is a lot of stuff that we have to study in literature too. But then again, it depends on your interest. If you are interested in literature, then go for literature, and if you are interested in linguistics, then go for linguistics. Well, if you have any other questions regarding this university, I'm always there to answer your questions. Well, are you the student of IIUI? Tell me in the comment box below. And if you're the student, then tell me that from which department you are and how's your experience. Well, and other than that, nowadays I have to submit my project. I am working on my project, which is too difficult, and but obviously we have to for the marks. Yeah, the canteen of IIUI is super cool. All the food is very reasonable price, and the taste is very yummy-licious, not yummy-licious. Well guys, it was the video only for today. I shared my experience. If you have any other question, I'm always there to answer you guys, and ask me in the comment box below. I hope I have answered your all questions. If you have still any question, you can always ask me. You're welcome. To get more information, stay tuned on my YouTube channel, which is Bajwa Aisha, and don't forget to subscribe this and press the bell icon. So bye bye for today.